The thing that really I love is when I know a client has phoned me with a impossible question about a very difficult issue, and they've called me because they know that I'm the person to call for that particular piece of advice. That really gets me going. I've been doing government procurement work for 25 years, which involves me obviously in public law, administrative law and government law. I'm on the many Law Society committees, including the Government Solicitors Committee. I've been involved in the Law Society for a long time and always interested in the accredited specialisation program. I was approached by the Law Society about 6 years ago to be on the panel to start this up. So they had in mind that the public law, administrative law, accredited specialisation should be a accredited specialist subject. And ever since then I've been on the committee, and in the last 3 years the head assessor for that committee. I've gained a lot from my experience with government law over the years, but in particular in relation to this, being on that committee has been excellent. And what we tend to get from the committee, we've got a cohort of people that have stayed on it from the start. I get a lot from being on the committee. It really gives me a sense of the necessity really to stay up to date in my specialised area of practice. So I get a lot from that also, and it's good for me to both be proud of being an accredited specialist, but also for my clients to know they're in trusted hands when they come and see me for that kind of advice. Firstly, I'd say that it's valuable, so I'd say do it. If you're thinking about doing it, then do it. But before you take that leap, make sure that you can give it the time that it needs, because it's not something, like anything really, to be taken lightly. You don't want to fail. You also don't want to do just good enough. You want to knock it out of the park, and if you're going to put yourself forward as a specialist, then you want to be recognised as that specialist and marked by your peers as someone who is truly a specialist, and not let yourself down. So you really got to be sure that you've got the time to be able to commit to it. Things like this that are important, people find the time. But that is an important thing to do. So I say do it, but make sure you can, and you can commit to it.